A shelf or two, it's time to dust. Clear as day, this is a must. Hi everyone and welcome to a Creatively Crafted Life Spring Clean Challenge. Today is going to be the first of a few dusting challenges, and the focus will be on a shelving unit in your space. For me, I'm tackling one of my Billy bookcases. I like to tackle one shelf at a time and remove all the items from that shelf. I then use a Swiffer Duster to get rid of the dust, and if I'm feeling extra special, I also like to go over the space with a damp cloth just to make sure everything is nice and clean. I follow up with a dry cloth to make sure it's nice and dry before returning everything to its place. Okay, editing Melanie here. I know that cloth looks dirty, but it's clean, honestly, just stained. Also, I need a camera person or at the very least a tripod. Filming and cleaning at the same time is a little awkward. Actually, it's as awkward as this appears. Depending on your space, you may only need to clean a couple of shelves. For me, I'm tackling the entire unit. While I'm dusting the shelves, I also dust the exterior of any bins. I don't worry about the interiors at this time. I typically dust those or clean them out when I organize the contents. Be sure to leave any tips and tricks you have for dusting in the comments below. If you have any products that are your favorite, I'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to share your photos if you're playing along in the Facebook group, An Organized Crafted Life. Subscribe so you're notified when the next prompt is posted. And until then, happy cleaning.